I'm Jennifer Bailey. I'm a full-time computer science professor for Ames Community College, and I am the Mountain Regional Mentor for Google Developer Group. My educational path started at Ames Community College when I was 15. I earned my GED, and I just started my 2-year degree very young. I finished their Associate of Applied Science. I became a mother at that time. While I was pursuing my master's, I was full-time as a programmer with this company called Cyclone Software. And so I got promoted to be a software developer, and I self-taught myself C#. I didn't want to have only skills from a legacy system, so I was definitely wanting to further my skills. And after about 7 or 8 years at that company, my alma mater, Ames Community College, the professors were retiring. And so I changed positions over to be full-time professor. The college was asking me to create a certificate in mobile application development. I thought the best way to get a survey of what sort of skills I should put in a class would be to talk to actual developers. And I went to meetup.com and I saw that we had a Google Developer Group chapter here in Northern Colorado. By participating in GDG, I met developers in my area. I started meeting developers worldwide. I ended up being able to attend the Google I/O conference. I teach basic computer science from intro programming, and then the Android and iOS mobile dev certificate is where the GDG really helps me. It was GDG that pulled me towards Android because the technology is always new, the tools were open source. I became just fascinated with Android, and I discovered that by spending the bulk majority of my time on Android, I was learning the most, and it was really easy to apply that expertise to the other platforms. Building a network in tech is the best way to market your skills, and it's also the best way to meet other developers because sometimes it's hard as a developer to find people to relate to. I have met such a diverse sampling of people in GDG from all different industries with all different levels of experience, student, self-taught, someone who's been in technology for longer than I have. You never know who you will meet out there because GDG is filled with interesting people, and you never know what kind of opportunities you would find by mixing with those people and comparing notes.